Agweek TV Soy Insight, brought to you by the North Dakota Soybean Council.
Future chefs in the culinary program at the North Dakota State College of Science in Wahpeton have developed some award-winning recipes using soy products. Rose Dunn gives you a taste in this month's Soy Insight.
These budding chefs have cooked up some award-winning dishes made with soy products for a contest sponsored by the North Dakota Soybean Council. Grace Nadler took first place honors in the dessert category for her sweet treat, soy ice cream topped with caramel, soy nut butter, and chocolate-covered soy nuts.
I have never cooked with soy before this. I would use soy sauce, but that's about it. It's a nice protein alternative.
Grace Stumpf won first place in the appetizer category for her miso ginger salmon with edamame pineapple salsa and honey soy glaze.
And I kind of had this dish in my mind since we first started talking about the soy foods, and I wanted to incorporate as much soy as I could. So I did, and salmon's a good base protein for basically everything because it just sucks in flavor.
Amber Gayu whipped up a chocolate tofu mousse-filled croissant and some edamame hummus. She likes the idea of making a dessert and an appetizer healthier with soy.
Working with healthy foods and helping others to be inspired to do healthy foods definitely is always a win.
And it's not just for bragging rights. The contest carried some scholarship money for the student winners. These students also spent several days last fall visiting a farm where soybeans are grown, a food-grade soybean plant in Castleton, and watching tofu being made at the Northern Crops Institute. Culinary arts instructor Benjamin Whitmore says his students had a great time learning about the benefits of soy.
Really the best of both worlds, getting the health benefits, but also having that great flavor that our students are really striving for when they get out into industry.
In Wahpeton, North Dakota, this is Rose Dunn for Agweek.
For these recipes and more of the students' recipes, go to northdakotasoybean.org and search soy on your plate.